We're going to be making some chicken nuggets. So see how tiny my chicken is. So you must make sure your chicken is tiny, cut it tiny. You can also heat it, flatten it with the flattened stick. So what we're going to be using for our chicken nuggets, I'm having eggs, milk, seasoning powder, thyme, curry, salt. I have the paprika. Okay, we've said salt. I have my garlic powder, so you can use onions powder, you can use garlic powder. I have my breadcrumb, and I have half cup of flour. So let's get into it. We want to season our chicken, so I'm going to add just a pinch of curry in, and I'm adding a little of my garlic in. I'm having a pinch of salt, paprika, thyme, and seasoning powder. So we're going to mix everything together. Make sure your hands are clean. Every of it together. Let it go in. Massage it in. And we are going to allow it to rest at least for 20 to 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. So we are going to be making the butter, because we need to coat it with butter. So in the butter, I'm going to be adding the garlic powder, because I want to fill it in. I'll also add my curry. I add in paprika. I add in my thyme. So I'll be adding in seasoning powder. And a pinch of salt more. So I'll mix it together. So I'm going to be adding eggs. Adding in 3 eggs. And I'll be adding in buttermilk. And I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to add in more liquid. So you can as well add in more buttermilk or milk, water. Mix it until it's loosening up. Now we are going to take a piece of our chicken that is seasoned, and we will dip it into the butter. Let me remove this. So I'm going to dip it into my butter. And I will put it in my breadcrumb. So, and it goes into my hot oil. Make sure your oil is hot. Shake off the excess and let it go into your breadcrumb. And make sure that your oil is not extremely too hot, because reduce your oil if it's too hot, and you allow it to fry until it's golden brown. It's ready now. This is what you're looking for. So I'm going to put it in a bowl. You should make sure it's deep fried. Thank you for staying with us. Please do share, follow, and subscribe.